families around the world. Or I'll have a presentation about Game of Thrones because it is about family and sibling relationships. You understand? Do you understand, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So the book is just here for the topic. Now, you can take information from the book and use it for your presentation, okay? But you need to use more sources. Minimum 2 more sources, right? If you take another topic, here, for example, discussing, oh, look at that, discussing flu epidemic. Chapter 4. You can have a presentation about how a lot of people have bad information about COVID. Who do you trust? Do you trust Facebook? Do you trust your mom? Do you trust the doctor? Do you trust the government? Do you trust another doctor? Do you understand? So this is just your inspiration for your presentation. Okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Now, this is the complicated part. Okay? Every week or before every class, you should practice your presentation, or at least you have to take notes and think about it and talk about it. Not talk about it, but think about it, right?